If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to generate reliable dividend income, sleep well at night, and still grow your wealth long-term, this video is for you. Today, we are diving deep into SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, a fund that many investors quietly hold, but few truly understand. This is not a surface-level review. This is not a hype video. And this is definitely not a get-rich-quick strategy. This is a complete, start-to-finish, 10 minutes deep dive into how SCHD works, why it has dominated dividend investing conversations for years, and whether it truly deserves a place in a long-term portfolio, especially for retirement income investors. By the end of this video, you will understand how SCHD actually selects its holdings, why its dividends are more stable than most income ETFs, how it performs across bull and bear markets where SCHD shines, and where it doesn't, and how long-term investors realistically use SCHD to build lasting income. Nothing in this video is financial advice. This content is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research or consult a licensed financial professional. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Now let's begin, because understanding SCHD starts with understanding why dividend investing matters in the first place. Why dividends matter more than ever. Dividend investing is not new. In fact, for most of market history, dividends accounted for a significant portion of total returns. Long before tech stocks dominated headlines, investors relied on dividends for income, stability, and compounding. But something changed over the last 2 decades. Growth investing exploded. Speculation became normalized. And many investors began chasing price appreciation alone, ignoring cash flow. Then reality hit. Market crashes. Rising interest rates. Inflation eroding purchasing power. Suddenly, investors remembered something important. You can't spend unrealized gains, but you can spend dividends. Dividends provide predictable income, psychological stability during downturns, and a tangible return even when markets stagnate. This is where SCHD enters the conversation, not as a flashy fund, but as a systematic dividend machine designed to survive market cycles. What is SCHD? SCHD stands for the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Its goal is simple: provide high-quality, sustainable dividend income from U.S. companies. But simplicity does not mean weakness. SCHD tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index, which immediately separates it from most dividend ETFs. This index does not chase the highest yield. Instead, it focuses on dividend quality and sustainability. That distinction is everything. SCHD avoids companies with unstable earnings, unsustainable payout ratios, dividend traps that collapse during recessions. Instead, it emphasizes strong cash flow, consistent dividend growth, financial discipline. This approach is why SCHD behaves differently from high-yield ETFs, and why it often outperforms them over full market cycles. How SCHD selects its holdings. This is where SCHD truly separates itself. The Dow Jones Dividend 100 Index screens companies using 4 key metrics. 1. Cash flow to total debt. This measures a company's ability to cover obligations. High cash flow means dividends are less likely to be cut. 2. Return on equity. This shows how efficiently management uses shareholder capital. Higher ROE often signals operational excellence. 3. Dividend yield. Yes, yield matters, but it's only one factor. SCHD avoids yield chasing. 4. Dividend growth rate. Consistency matters more than size. SCHD favors companies that grow dividends over time. Only the top 100 companies that pass these filters make the index. And importantly, SCHD is rebalanced annually. Weak companies are removed, strong companies stay. This creates a self-cleansing portfolio that adapts without emotion. What SCHD actually holds. SCHD's holdings reflect its philosophy. You'll typically see industrial leaders, healthcare giants, consumer staples, financial institutions, companies like broad dividend payers, businesses with pricing power, firms that survive recessions. What you won't see: speculative tech, unprofitable growth companies, meme stocks. This is not a fund built for headlines. It's built for longevity. And that's exactly why long-term investors trust it. Dividend stability versus dividend hype. Many ETFs promise high income. Few deliver consistency. High-yield ETFs often rely on options strategies, leverage, return of capital. SCHD does not. Its dividends come from real company profits. That's why SCHD's dividends grow over time. Cuts are rare. Income is predictable. This stability is what makes SCHD attractive for retirees and for investors planning decades ahead. SCHD during market crashes. Market downturns reveal the truth. During major drawdowns, SCHD typically falls less than the broader market. Dividend payments continue. Investor panic is reduced. Why? Because SCHD owns profitable businesses, not narratives. When markets fall, income becomes emotional armor. This is where SCHD quietly dominates. Who SCHD is actually for? SCHD is not for everyone. It is ideal for retirement income investors, conservative long-term holders, dividend growth strategies. It is less ideal for short-term traders, aggressive growth chasers, investors needing explosive returns. Understanding this prevents disappointment and builds realistic expectations. SCHD long-term performance. Now that we understand how SCHD is constructed, the next logical question is simple: does it actually perform over the long term? Performance matters, but context matters even more. SCHD is not designed to beat the market every year. It is designed to deliver strong risk-adjusted returns across full market cycles, while paying consistent dividends along the way. Historically, SCHD has delivered competitive total returns, lower volatility than the S&P 500, and strong downside protection during market stress. When markets surge, SCHD may lag aggressive growth ETFs. But when markets struggle, SCHD often holds its ground far better. Over long time horizons, this balance becomes incredibly powerful. Why? Because avoiding large drawdowns is just as important as capturing upside. Recovering from a 20% decline is far easier than recovering from a 50% one. This is where SCHD quietly shines. The power of dividend growth. Many investors focus only on current yield. But long-term income investors understand something deeper. Dividend growth is what protects your purchasing power. SCHD has a strong history of raising its dividend over time, paying dividends sourced from real earnings, avoiding sharp cuts during economic stress. Dividend growth compounds just like stock prices. A dividend that grows year after year eventually becomes a hedge against inflation, a rising income stream, and a source of financial confidence. This is why SCHD is often described as a dividend growth ETF, not just an income ETF. SCHD versus the S&P 500. Let's talk comparisons, because this is where expectations matter. SCHD versus VU, S&P 500. VU, higher growth potential, more volatility, lower yield. SCHD, higher income, lower volatility, more predictable cash flow. Over long periods, total returns can be surprisingly close, but the experience of holding them is completely different. VU rewards patience during volatility. SCHD rewards discipline with income. Neither is objectively better. They serve different roles. SCHD versus total market ETFs. Compared to total market funds like VTI, VTI offers broad exposure, growth-driven returns, minimal income. SCHD offers concentrated quality income, first design, lower drawdowns. Historically, many long-term investors actually use both. VTI for growth, SCHD for income stability. This combination balances wealth building with cash flow. SCHD versus dividend growth ETFs. Against other dividend ETFs, SCHD often stands out because It avoids overpaying for yield. It emphasizes balance sheet strength. That removes companies that weaken over time. Some dividend ETFs chase yield. SCHD earns it. That distinction becomes obvious during recessions. How investors use SCHD in real portfolios. Investors typically use SCHD in one of three ways. 1. Core income holding. SCHD becomes the backbone of retirement income. 2. Dividend growth sleeve combined with growth ETFs for balance. 3. Psychological stability tool. Income reduces panic selling during market drops. This is often overlooked, but incredibly important. Common misunderstandings about SCHD. Let's clear up some myths. SCHD is only for retirees. False. Long-term dividend growth benefits younger investors too. SCHD can't grow. False. Growth just looks different when dividends are involved. SCHD underperforms only if you ignore dividends and volatility. Understanding these points changes how SCHD is evaluated. After spending minutes breaking down SCHD from every possible angle, how it's built, how it performs, how it pays dividends, and how real investors actually use it, one thing becomes very clear: SCHD is not trying to be exciting. It's trying to be dependable. And in long-term investing, dependability often wins. SCHD dominates not because it promises the highest yield, the fastest growth, or the most attention-grabbing headlines, but because it consistently delivers what dividend investors actually need: reliable income sourced from real company profits, dividend growth that helps protect against inflation, lower volatility during market downturns, and a disciplined, rules-based process that removes emotion from investing. This is why SCHD continues to hold a permanent place in so many long-term portfolios, especially for investors focused on retirement income, capital preservation, and financial peace of mind. That doesn't mean SCHD is perfect. It will underperform in roaring bull markets. It won't satisfy investors chasing explosive growth. And it requires patience, the kind that rewards consistency over decades, not months. But for investors who understand its purpose, SCHD does exactly what it was designed to do. It turns volatility into income. It turns time into compounding. And it turns uncertainty into predictability. So the real question isn't whether SCHD will dominate every year. The real question is this: do you want to spend your investing life chasing returns, or collecting them? Because SCHD was built for investors who choose the second path. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this deep dive, consider liking the video, subscribing for more long-form investing breakdowns, and sharing this with someone building long-term income. Until next time, invest with patience, invest with purpose, and let your dividends do the heavy lifting.